Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post pictures on Threads. So you go to your Threads app, and here you click on the middle icon that looks like a pen and a book. After clicking on it, it's for you to start a new thread. For you to attach a photo, you click on the first icon below the start a thread. You click the icon, it shows picture. After that, you click on which picture you wish to post. Then you click on add, which is at the top right, and then you type whatever you wish to type, or you can just post it like that. When you're ready to post, just click on this post here, and that's how to post a photo on Threads. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.